Welcome on the Spit iExpert calculation software. This video will explain how to calculate a safety barrier fixing. After setting your standards, like country and language, you can start your application by following the different steps from Chapter 1 to 6. In the chapter Application, scroll down up to Safety Barrier. Several safety barrier designs are available: edge slab, floor slab, pedestrian, stairs, between walls. Different plate types configurations are available depending on your design. Choose the one corresponding to your project. For this example, select stairs. Go to Step 2, Dimensions. In this chapter, all dimensions parameters can be adjusted either on the drawing, either in the tables. Open each menu and select the correct size corresponding to your application. At any time, it is possible to switch from 2D to 3D view. Parameters like the distance between the fixings or the distance from the concrete edge can be adjusted. The handrail post position can be adjusted using EX and EY coordinates. When all dimensions are set, go to Step 3, Material. Adjust the concrete strength. A customized option is available which gives you the possibility to choose the exact compressive strength. Go to Step 4, Load. Different possibilities of load are pre-selected depending on the regulation. It is also possible to enter custom loads in internal or external direction of the barrier. Go to Step 5, Design. In this chapter, it is possible to select the preset anchoring depth and check the profile resistance. Go to Step 6, Calculate. The calculation results can be reduced by using the different filters. When selecting the most favorite anchor, the PDF button will generate the design report with all the necessary information for the designer and for the installer. By clicking the PDF, ETA, CAD or BIM button, the right documents will be opened or downloaded in order to be used for the project design. This is a brief view of what is possible with safety barrier fixing calculation. More videos can be seen on our website.